Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours. We're in Gran Canaria. We're about to walk up this massive stairs, this hill. I've got up the hill. I've had enough of stairs. But let's check out this little area up here. We had a beer up here, me and Sabrina, when we came back in February. It's quite windy today, if you can see. Quite windy. It's just 12:30 in the afternoon. I've got a flight tonight at 10 p.m. Ah, damn. I think Lanzarote, with its flatness, it's got one cardiac hill. It's probably my favourite for being so flat. But yeah, so La Costa, we've been in here, had a nice glass of wine. Actually, had the worst glass of Prosecco I've ever tasted in there. Had to change it for a normal glass of wine, which wasn't much better. So when I said I had a nice drink, I was lying. Right, let's try and get in front of these people. It's a closed shopping centre. There's all those prices there for your tapas. Right, let me quickly run in front of these lot. So all the shops are, it says €5 for 2 beers. It's not too bad. You've got a beautiful view out to sea. Got a bit of a wind block as well. Got a gym. I guess where you can get your, again look, £2.50 a beer. It's not too bad. And yeah, you've got a beautiful view over to the sea. Let's keep going. We've got plenty more hills to climb. Check this one out. Why do I do it to myself, eh? Because I do it for you. Right, let's go. Up the stairs we go. Beautiful. When the wind's not on you, you can really feel that heat. These steps are like slanted forward. Let me know what's why do they do that for? Why do they slant the steps forward? Makes no sense to me. Like when you're walking down and it makes you feel like you're falling forward. Oh. And a few more steps to go. So that you can see all the way down to the dunes. Tide's a little bit out at the moment. Right, let's walk along here. Sorry for my heavy breathing, but we've just come from that shopping centre all the way up. You can see for miles. But you get these beautiful views, you make these sacrifices of walking up these massive steps. So Casablanca apartments, these look beautiful, the beautiful flowers. What are these flowers called? These pinky white ones. You get orange ones, all sorts of different colours of them, all over the Canaries. And all over Spain, actually. Spain, I saw them everywhere. Turkey, all in the hot climates. Remember what they're called. Really colourful. So I did notice down here, when I was walking on the beach the other day, a lot of people, well I say a lot of people, some people I guess, had built homes into the woods next to the beach. It's just not good, is it? I think it's a human right to have a home. Well, it should be a human right to have a home anyway. Well, if you can't afford it, there should be government funded homes. And if they can't afford to do that, there's a million other ways to help people, which you can just buy a load of caravans. You stick a load of people in caravans. They'll be grateful for anything rather than sleeping on the streets. But this is the Western civilization for you. Money, money, greed, money, greed. It's not for me. I prefer civilizations that look after their people, care for them. Yeah, enough of politics, eh? And we've got a beautiful day. Look, green flag. Green flag, but the water seems quite rough. Where was I? Where was I in Turkey? It had a red flag out. There's no lifeguards there, but yeah, they had a red flag, and everyone was just swimming in the sea. No one seemed to care. So yeah, I was at R&B Weekender last night. Insert a clip right there, and you can see it was a great night. Again, thanks to the boys for inviting us down. We will see you at Fate Island. Fate Island will be in Gran Canaria next year. So we'll be going to Soccermazza and Zante. We'll be over here the week after for Fate Island. And then I think there is Epic Weekender in Marmaris. That might be the week after, so I might try and get to all three of them. I've been invited to Soccer Weekender. We're working in collaboration with them at the moment. And Fate Island boys, who also run R&B Weekender and Afro Aponkom. I don't know what it's called, but it's Afrobeats. They invited us out to all of their events. So I'm just trying to get a Soccer Weekender to invite us. They're in Albufeira next week when we're there, but they're not really responding to my messages, which is lovely. That's one of our best videos, is Soccer Weekender, Albufeira. I think it's got over 150,000 plays. People from all around the world have seen it, so we've helped promote that organisation. And they don't want to even contact us or speak to us, so it's a bit of a shame. But it is what it is. They've obviously got their camera people. And they don't want YouTubers. Even though I see a lot of YouTubers there that they invite out. I guess I just don't have the breast for it, or the arse, or wear the sexy outfits. Maybe that's what it's about. But yeah, there's one in Marmaris called Epic Escape, I think it's called. It's another reggae soccer event. I want to try and get hold of them guys. So if you're watching this, guys, hit me up. Send me an email. Let's make some videos for your events, because we are famous in Marmaris. That's the only place I've ever been stopped. And we got stopped many times. And lots of different people have seen our videos there, but that's our best series to date. Back in May when we went, it was a great series. Here's the girls from last night. doing up their videos. Looking good, girls. So yeah, I jumped on their TikTok video last night. Gave our TikTok a shout out. I don't use it very much, but I'm going to start doing a few lives on there. See if we can capture another audience. So what I'm going to do, it's been a lovely little walk this has. What I'll do is I'll end the video down here. This is a nice promenade, lovely little walk. You can see forever. Yeah, I'll show you again, down to the dunes. And there's another shopping centre just here. So you're never too far away from a shopping centre in Gran Canaria. But yeah. Let me know if you know how many shopping centres there are, because it's got to be hundreds. 100 shopping centres here? I don't know. I never counted. But yeah, let's end the video with this amazing view in the background. So, thank you all for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment and share. Share this video to your friends and family who love coming to Gran Canaria. Check them views out, absolutely stunning views. And yeah, I'll catch you on a very next video.